Toyota offers an array of electrified vehicles and powertrains, allowing you to find the right one to best suit your needs and lifestyle. And now that you've learned the differences between hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and battery electric vehicles, let's take a closer look at battery electric vehicles, or BEV, to see if it's the right fit for you. Think about your daily routine. How far do you drive? Where do you typically travel? Will a battery electric vehicle be your primary or secondary vehicle? Do you or your destinations have EV chargers nearby? Do you live in a condo or house and have access to EV charging? Do you have the means to install an EV charger? If you have a regular daily commute, a battery electric vehicle may be a good fit for you. With the convenience of charging your electric vehicle at home overnight, you can start your day with enough range for your next trip. A battery electric vehicle can also be a great option for longer drives and even longer trips. With Level 2 and Level 3 public charging networks, you can plan out your route by finding a charging station along the way or near your destination, and be prepared to top up your charge as needed to continue the journey. Additionally, it is important to know that battery electric vehicles provide distinct benefits to drivers. They deliver instant torque, providing smooth, quick, and seamless acceleration. Plus, they run quietly, making for a more comfortable driving experience. Beyond performance, battery electric vehicles may also be a convenient and economical choice. With no need for gas, you may save on fuel costs by charging at home, especially during off-peak hours, available in some regions, using a Level 1 or Level 2 home charger. Imagine having your own fueling station at home, waking up every morning with the charge you need and ready to drive. Battery electric vehicles can be easier to maintain due to fewer moving parts and no oil changes. They can also help reduce environmental impact by eliminating tailpipe emissions. By considering these factors, you'll be able to make an informed decision about whether a battery electric vehicle is the perfect fit for you. For a deeper look at battery electric vehicles, explore the other videos in this series. Learn more about Toyota's EV lineup on our electrified vehicle page.